Are you a woodworker looking for ways to improve your creativity? Or are you a home owner looking for creative woodworking project ideas you can use to revamp your home decor and office decor? Creativity in woodworking is the ability to conceive, design, and execute unique projects that reflect personal style and innovation. Woodworking is more than just a craft. It is an art form that combines skill, imagination, and a deep understanding of materials. A woodworker transforms raw wood into functional or decorative pieces, employing various techniques that can range from traditional joinery to modern methods like CNC machining. Improving creativity as a woodworker involves expanding one's mindset, experimenting with techniques, and drawing inspiration from various sources. The journey to enhance creativity is deeply personal and can be approached through several avenues. One of the first steps is to cultivate a creative mindset. This can be achieved by embracing curiosity and a willingness to explore new ideas. Curiosity fuels creativity, prompting woodworkers to ask questions about their materials, techniques, and designs. By maintaining an open mind and being receptive to new concepts, woodworkers can discover innovative ways to approach their projects. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative wood furniture and decor ideas you didn't know your home needed. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Engaging with the woodworking community can also significantly enhance creativity. Networking with fellow woodworkers provides opportunities for collaboration, exchange of ideas, and feedback. Participating in local woodworking clubs, online forums, or social media groups can expose individuals to different perspectives and techniques. These interactions can spark new ideas and encourage experimentation. Observing how others tackle projects can provide valuable insights and inspire woodworkers to think outside the box. Another effective way to boost creativity is by experimenting with different materials. While wood is the primary medium, incorporating other materials such as metal, glass, or fabric can lead to unique designs. Mixing materials encourages innovative thinking and can help woodworkers break away from traditional boundaries. For instance, creating a piece that combines wood with metal accents can add a contemporary touch and create a striking visual contrast. This experimentation can lead to unexpected results that challenge conventional design notions. Taking on diverse projects can also stimulate creativity. Woodworkers can benefit from stepping outside their comfort zones by tackling projects that differ from their usual style or techniques. For instance, if a woodworker primarily focuses on furniture, they might explore creating decorative items, sculptures, or even home accessories. This variety not only enhances skills, but also fosters a sense of adventure in the creative process. Each new project presents an opportunity to learn and grow, ultimately enriching the woodworker's creative repertoire. Moreover, setting aside dedicated time for exploration and play can significantly improve creativity. Woodworkers often become engrossed in the demands of projects, focusing solely on functionality and deadlines. By allowing time for experimentation without the pressure of producing a finished piece, woodworkers can reconnect with their artistic instincts. This playful approach encourages risk-taking and can lead to unexpected outcomes. Whether it's trying a new technique, experimenting with different finishes, or simply doodling design ideas, this freedom can reignite passion and creativity. Inspiration can be found in various places and forms. Engaging with art, nature, architecture, and design can provide fresh perspectives and ideas. Visiting art galleries, museums, or nature parks can expose woodworkers to different aesthetics and concepts. Observing how other artists and designers approach their work can serve as a catalyst for new ideas. Additionally, studying historical woodworking styles and techniques can provide insights into traditional craftsmanship, which can be adapted and reinterpreted in modern contexts. This exploration of different influences can ignite creativity and encourage woodworkers to experiment with their designs. Keeping a sketchbook or journal dedicated to ideas can also be instrumental in enhancing creativity. Documenting thoughts, sketches, and concepts allows woodworkers to capture fleeting ideas that may arise throughout the day. A sketchbook serves as a personal repository of inspiration, enabling individuals to revisit and refine ideas over time. This practice encourages reflection and can lead to the development of more complex and innovative designs. By having a tangible record of ideas, woodworkers can track their creative evolution and identify patterns or themes in their work. Additionally, setting specific creative goals can help woodworkers stay focused and motivated. These goals can encompass various aspects of creativity, such as learning a new technique, completing a project outside one's comfort zone, or experimenting with a specific material. By breaking down larger aspirations into manageable steps, woodworkers can maintain a sense of progress and achievement. These goals act as markers along the creative journey, providing direction and purpose. Collaboration with other creatives can also spark new ideas and enhance creativity. Partnering with artists from different disciplines, such as painters, sculptors, or textile designers, can lead to innovative projects that blend various techniques and perspectives. These collaborations can push woodworkers to think differently, encouraging them to break away from traditional methods and embrace new approaches. The exchange of ideas and techniques can lead to the creation of unique pieces that reflect a synthesis of different artistic expressions. Embracing failure as a part of the creative process is essential for growth. Woodworking, like any art form, involves trial and error. Not every project will turn out as envisioned, and that's part of the journey. Viewing failures as learning opportunities fosters resilience and encourages experimentation. Rather than being discouraged by setbacks, woodworkers should analyze what went wrong, learn from mistakes, and apply those lessons to future projects. This mindset can lead to unexpected breakthroughs and innovative solutions. Moreover, engaging with technology can enhance creativity in woodworking. The rise of digital tools and software allows woodworkers to explore new design possibilities. Computer-aided design, CAD, software can help visualize projects and experiment with different configurations before physical execution. Additionally, CNC machines enable precise cuts and intricate designs that may be challenging to achieve with traditional tools. Embracing technology opens up new avenues for creativity, allowing woodworkers to push the boundaries of their craft. Participating in workshops and classes can also provide invaluable opportunities for growth. Learning from experienced instructors exposes woodworkers to new techniques and perspectives. These educational experiences can inspire individuals to incorporate new ideas into their work and explore different styles. Workshops often foster a collaborative environment, allowing participants to share ideas and learn from each other. This sense of community can enhance creativity and motivation, encouraging individuals to pursue their artistic endeavors with renewed vigor. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative wood furniture and decor ideas you didn't know your home needed. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.